Hi guys, welcome back to Sport Warrior channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to confirm your identity on Facebook. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to Facebook application here. Click on. After that, you can click the three strip in the upper of the corner. Scroll down until you click the settings and privacy. Next, you can click settings. After that, you can click personal and account information. Then you click on the identity confirmation. Click on and confirm your identity. Okay, click the running ad about social issue, election or politics here. You can select your country, choose. Click the country. After that, you can click next. Are you sure you need to confirm your identity? And you can click yes, continue. And select security method. About your security is I choose text message here and continue. And let's see about your phone is right or not. Is it correct? I click continue. Okay, the Facebook will be send the message and rewrite about the two-factors authentication. After that, you can click on the continue. Done. Okay, after that you can go back and your identity confirmation in progress. Okay, this is a tutorial how to confirm your identity on Facebook. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.